Tuko na wageni kutoka Lake Victoria South Development Authority, whom we are partnering in developing Nyamira water. Na leo wametuletea smart meters 1,000, next week zitakuja ingine 1,000 ili tuweza kuconnect watu wote with the new smart meters. Zile mzee zote tutatoa, na pia tuko na contract on site who is doing last mile connectivity. He is going to do 38 kilometers. Na baadaye President alipokuwa hapa alituongeza kilomita ingine 40. Kwa hivyo hiyo tutafanya contract baadaye, pati huyu ambaye ako atafanya 38 kilometers. Kuongeza na hiyo ya Wasiko itakuwa ina connect watu ndani na pipe ndogo, na hizo ndizo Lake Victoria South Water Agency imeleta leo pia, na mnaziona hapo. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru Lake Victoria na Madam Jacqueline kwa usaidizi wanaendelea kutupatia kuhakikisha kwamba hii company ambaye ni mtoto wao take off na iweze kupea maji ambayo haikatiki.
Today we are here to hand over meters, 1,000 of them, and in total there are 2,000 meters, but today we are handing over 1,000 meters to help in connecting households. So, Your Excellency, we expect the utility to have 1,000 new connections. And also with us, we have 70 rolls of pipes, which will cover about 8 kilometers. The last mile connectivity that was launched by His Excellency the President on this same spot, we have 38 kilometers of last mile connectivity. So in total, Your Excellency, on top of the 38, if we add the 8 connections that will be done by Nyawasco, we'll be having 46 kilometers. And as we stand here, the President promised 450 million, which we have received as an agency, the 450 million to take care of solar, and also an additional 40 kilometer. So by end of this week, we'll have completed the contract or the tendering process for solar, which we will be closing by 24th. So by end of August, we hope that we'll start the solarization works, that the contractor will be on site, and that will help us on reducing the cost of electricity.